Hi guys. Hey, here's another model kit that I have had for a little while and want to get started on. The AMT Ford Interceptor police car, and kind of wild because it's got on the box there's a police car and then there's a fire car. I've never seen that kit, but it's got the flash bar. Got like a wooden bumper brace, push bar, and then your inside stuff, your radios, your fire extinguisher, spotlight, motor, which being a 429 Boss motor, you think that would be blue. Ford motors were usually always blue that I remember, but maybe I'm wrong. And of course, shotgun. But yeah, pretty cool kit. Like I said, I've already opened this up. I've already had it opened and whatnot. Pretty simple instruction kit. Your basic engine build. Can't get the pages separated. There we go. Get your chassis build, interior build, and then the body, mounting with the interior and whatnot. And then your final assembly. There's only 5 steps on the instruction manual, so kind of an easy build the way it looks. Looks like it would be pretty neat. But got your your body. What's kind of funny about this, I actually bought this kit. I was going to do something else with it, which will be another project I'll do later on down the road. I'll get me another one of these and do that project. But the 70 Ford LTD body like this is actually the same body as I got the bumper thing just sitting in there. Is actually the same body as what our first stock car was back in 1982, I think. We had a 70 Ford LTD that knocked all the glass out of it and all the interior and painted orange and number 23 at the time, and went out and ran the dirt track in Tucson, out Corona Speedway, Tucson, Arizona. But I'm going to do this as a police car for this build, and then later on I'll get me another one. I've seen that AMT's got a cab version of the same car, so I'll probably just go ahead and get that one and use that one to make the race car version, our first race car. There's a lot of stuff you gotta do different on it. But anyway, that's the body. Like I said, I already got the bumper and grill. They're just sitting in there. They're not glued in or nothing like that because I haven't painted anything. Your basic interior. The hood. Got a little bit of detail on the hood. Not much, but actually no, it doesn't. Your underside. It's got a steel axle that goes through the center and then screws into the body. So like I said, it's kind of an old school kind of kit. Your decal sheet, which can't see what the decals look like because it's got a cover thing over it, but that's okay. And then parts bag with the dashboard, the seats, steering wheel, exhaust, oil pan, wheels, belts and pulleys, mufflers, radiator, that kind of stuff. And your back of your seat and your underside engine stuff. I guess that one goes in like if you don't build the motor. I guess there's two different ways you can do this, which I'm going to build the motor and put it in. And then your red and blue plastic lights for the flasher bar and turn signals, and or not turn signals, but brake lights and whatnot. Your engine parts, cylinder heads, block and tranny, stuff like that. Then you got all your chrome parts. Pretty good looking kit. I think it's gonna be pretty neat. And then your basic tires. Like I said, it's got steel axles. It's got two different axles here. So a pretty neat kit. Like I said, I'm gonna do it as the police car shown on the box. But the later on I'll get another one and do it up like our old race car like I was talking about. Actually, another thought, a friend of mine was telling me it would be a good build for this too is the Burt Reynolds movie. I think it was Grease Lightning. Or not Grease Lightning. Grease Lightning was a Richard Pryor movie. God, I can't remember the name of it. But anyway, there was a brown Ford LTD Galaxy, whatever, like that, and White Lightning. I think that's what it was. But yeah, just that would be a cool build for it too. But anyway, guys, just wanted to do this little unboxing on it. I'll get started on this here somewhere along the line, and trying to get some more stuff done, some Christmas projects and different things around. So, but anyway, guys, take care, and you all stay safe out there. Thanks. Bye.